So, let's see. I got that auto tarp trailer, a few months ago. And it's a very interesting pattern I have is I get equipment like the auto tarp trailer, then we put on a different assignment, and then that trailer goes feet and goes away. And eventually, at some point, I'll be put on another assignment, and then I'll have a dump trailer again. So I'm curious how long I'll be on this. I don't know. It's permanent. They act like it's permanent. I don't know. We'll see. I'm not a fast person. I don't really tend to be a fast person. But, it is what it is. So, in my journey today, doing roll-off, this site that has one of our bins, they're adding a building, and of course they decided to dig up the road to put in drainage. Well, yesterday I picked up the box, which one reason that people are quitting is equipment sucks. The box would not latch for me without a chain binder, and somehow the chain binder feet disappeared. So after working way too long trying to get the door to latch, I gave up and came down here with it. So that in turn screwed up my Friday, because now I gotta take the box up and return it in pitch darkness through the construction site. So I get up there, and of course I can't see where I got to turn the corner. And did pretty well until I got to one spot, and I knocked one of the grates off of the drains. Oops. So I dropped the box, go grab my other box. It's the other side of town. And the rest of the day kind of worked out pretty well. But they sent me back to that place I was at in the morning to pick up a box. And, I decided not to fill out my paperwork. And I just went to go get the box. Construction worker's like, hey, I got a present back there. I got a big hole back there. I'm like, oh, really? So I go back there. And he's like, yeah, if you can swing over here. And I'm like, yeah, that's not happening, dude. No way I'm making a swing. And he was talking about dragging the box to me. And like, yeah, that's just not happening. Long story short, I drove there to get a load. So, yeah. Sent the office some pictures. So they're going to reschedule that to Monday. So I now have a 3-day weekend. Still getting my leg looked at. It's been jacked up for 4 months. I'm tired of limping, and I'm tired of it hurting. So, last doctor didn't even look at my leg. And I'm pretty sure it's my pain pills, but I'm in a rock and a hard place because it's not getting better. So, yeah. That's how that goes. Got a feeling there's going to be a lot more videos. Normalcy has left. And, yeah. I've had 2 roll-off drivers quit, and I hear there's a 3rd soon. Fun times. Have a good day.